Assalamu alaikum. As you know, this is Syed Yusuf Channa from class BPA 2K Achin. My roll number is 46. Today my topic is business ethics. My course instructor is Madam Porcelain Chandu. Today I am here to deliver my video lecture instead of semester examination. My subtopics are Introduction of Business Ethics, Corporate Social Responsibilities, Stakeholder Ethics and Culture. Number 1. Business Ethics. Business ethics is a branch of ethics which prescribes standards of how the business is to be carried out. Guideline to stakeholders, the responsibility of the manager and employees. Business ethics refers to contemporary organizational standards, principles, sets of values and norms that govern the action and behavior of an individual in the business organization. It is a form of applied ethics or professional ethics that examines ethical principles and moral or ethical problems that can arise in a business environment. The law often guides business ethics, but at other times business ethics provides basic guidelines that business can choose to follow to gain public approval. The study of appropriate business policies and prescribes regarding potentially controversial subjects including corporate governance, insights trading, discriminations, corporate social responsibilities and fiduciary responsibility. Number 2. Corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility is a business model that helps a company be socially accountable to itself, its stakeholder and the public. Corporate social responsibility is a type of business self-regulations, the aim of being social accountable. Corporate social responsibility is important to both consumers and companies. Corporate responsibility programs a great way to raise morale in the workplace. Corporate responsibility is a broad concept that can take many forms depending on the company and industry. Through corporate social responsibility, philanthropy and volunteer efforts, business can benefit society while boosting their brands. Number 3 is stakeholder. A stakeholder is a party that has an interest in a company and can either affect or be affected by the business. In other words, in a corporation, stakeholders is a member of group without whose support the organization would cease to exist. The primary stakeholder in a typical corporation are its investors, employees, customers and suppliers. Any action taken by any organization or any group might affect those people who are linked with them in the private sector. Example, parents, children, customer, owner. Number fourth one is ethics and its culture. Culture and ethics. Culture reflects the moral values and ethical norms governing how people should behave and interact with others. Culture refers to the outlook, attitudes, values, goals, and practices shared by a group, organization, or society. Thank you so much.